10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-day forecast.
So we lose an hour of sleep, but we gain an hour of sunshine tomorrow. So that means sunsets are going to be a little bit later. The sunrise tomorrow is at 7:06 a.m. Looks like sunset will be at 6:52 p.m. Not too shabby, a great day to watch the sunset, especially if you want to head out to the coast because it is going to be warm. Also not a bad place to escape all the windy conditions that we've seen. Start of the week, a bit of a different story. We cooled down. We got slight chances for showers before we gradually warm back up. That wind advisory still in effect until tomorrow at 5 p.m. for the mountains and for the valleys. What will it look like in the meantime? Well, not a whole lot of relief, which is why it remains in effect. It's been real gusty, some of the strongest winds up around 40 to 60 miles an hour in the mountains today. And it's going to stay that way, potentially even gustier at times tomorrow. Look at where we begin the day, especially in the foothills where those Santa Ana winds slope off of the mountains, bringing that warm air from those easterly breezes, even stretching all the way out to the coast, especially in the southwestern part of the county, so La Jolla, San Diego, Imperial Beach, not a part of that wind advisory, but still gonna feel those breezy conditions. And even after it expires, breezy Sunday night as well before we're finally in the clear there. Now, we also were talking about those temperatures, obviously warm today. We're going to remain warm tomorrow. In fact, San Diego could tie a record if it reaches 85 degrees. And I find it really interesting just how far above average the coast is. Some of our coastal communities are going to be even warmer than where our desert communities top out at. Look at Coronado at 88 degrees, Borrego Springs at 84, Ocotillo Wells at 88. This puts everyone anywhere from 7 to 20 degrees above average, the furthest departure from normal coming on the coast. But a big change just one day later. Look at that massive drop off for our coast and inland neighborhoods, especially between Sunday and Monday. Even with the drop off, that just brings us right back to average or close to it. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies for tomorrow. More clouds build in at night before some chances for showers start overnight. And then it's in the late morning, early afternoon. We're looking at the highest chances coming in the deserts, the mountains, and the valleys with about a 20% chance on the coast. So that's coming your way Monday. Temperatures, as I told you, slowly rebound during the week, and then we're back into the 80s by Thursday and Friday for the coast. Back into the 80s, closely, maybe even touching the 90s inland Thursday and Friday. Mountain communities don't see as much of a steep drop-off, but you definitely feel that warm-up as well. Mid-70s, upper 80s by Thursday, Friday, and the deserts. Similar story to the mountains, although you increase all the way into the 90s and stay there to wrap up the week and head into the weekend. We'll be right back.